participating in this FDP on Moodle. So, first, I would like to introduce the spoken tutorial. Then we will come to the ICT, and then we will discuss about something in Moodle. As you have already 3 sessions in Moodle, Shubhendu Shukla sir told me about this, that you have learned so much about the Moodles, how to create the account and how to create the, you can register the new users and how to assign the assignments, quizzes. So lots of things you have done in the Moodle, right? So, and also I will cover query about the LOA, that is the letter of association from IIT Bombay, and how much it is valuable for the colleges and universities. Now, then we will cover, just like Shubhel Shukla sir told me that some of the participants are interested to join, or you can say some colleges are interested to join the spoken tutorial, how they can associate with us. So I will also cover that point. So first of all, we will start through this brief introduction of the spoken tutorial. Okay, see, all of you know that this spoken tutorial is the project of MHRD, right? And it totally depend on the self-learning process. So we have prepared pre-recorded videos, audio videos, lectures of IITians in the particular FOSS. That is, the FOSS means here is free and open source software. Like all these softwares which is available in the net, you can download it and you can use it, and you can also earn the money from these softwares. See, like these are the Linux, Scilab, LaTeX, PHP, Moodle. You are learning this Moodle, and it is highly in demand today's market, because we know that in this pandemic we are using this Moodle as a teaching learning process, and it is very much valuable and have so much features than other applications. Now, see, just like I'm telling you, this spoken tutorial is the self-learning process. So, what we are doing here, we if somebody wants to learn just like Linux, right? So, he will register in our website as a user. We have 3 options. You can say 2 options to be registered. First is as a faculty organizer. Second one is as a student. And for the faculty organizer, we have so many features in spoken tutorial. Right? He has authorized to access all the data, but for the students, we have some limits. So that's why we prefer that if any college will come to associate with spoken tutorial, so we need some faculty organizer from his college or university. Like this SR Institute of Management and Technology has associated with us, and we have a faculty organizer as a Shubhen Shukla sir. So he has full authority to access the spoken tutorial through his account, right? So in this way we are dealing, right? And now I'm coming to the benefits of this. Just like I can say this, the, students with this knowledge will have an edge in the job of market. This is the truth, because we are providing the facility of the placement to the students. of the associated members who have completed the particular course open source software courses and achieved the completed certificate. So this is very important to know and note it down this, because see, we have two kinds of certifications. One is participation and second one is completion certificate. Those students who have the completion certificate, they are eligible to participate in the this you can say participate in the IIT Bombay. We are providing the platform for the students. They can come and have some placement drive. So only those who will participate that achieve the completion certificate, not only the participation certificate. So these are the some scenarios which we are giving, and you know that if I'm going to share my this screen, you can able to see this. Let me share my screen. Sir, I'm not able to find out the option of sharing screen. Can you help me?
Ma'am, there is an option where it is written present now.
Present
Present
now. Okay.
now. Yeah. That is the option for the sharing.
Ma'am, on the right side top corner, there is the three dot, you can say. There you press and there you will get the present now what option. Present screen is there.
I click on
Present,
the three dots and
present screen is there, ma'am.
present screen. Yeah, full screen is there. Present screen. Present now is there. Present now.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
whether you are presenting by mobile or by desktop.
So I'm presenting by desktop.
Desktop, you will get the button lower right corner, present now. When you will click over there, then it will ask whether you want to present the whole screen or any particular window. If you will click on window, then he will ask that what window or at
Got
particular.
it. Got it. Got it. Got
Okay.
it.
Okay. Ma'am, screen is visible properly.
Now screen is visible, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Screen is visible. Now you have opened my documents.
My documents. Okay.
If you want to open any particular file,
So I'm actually
you want to share any PPT?
No, I want to share my website actually. That's why I'm.
So you have to share the browser.
Got it.
Okay.
Now it is able to see.
Yeah, something is coming in. screen, but still.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
Spoken
fine.
tutorial.
So you are able to see the spoken tutorial site, right?
Yes, ma'am. We are able to see, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you. So I'm going to tell you this. We have some new features in this spoken tutorial. That's why I have shared this screen, because previously we don't have any individual learning process. Now, because we are approaching to the colleges and university levels, so that's why we don't have previously. So now we have some requests from the individual levels that if see lots of things are going up to the management level, and they are not agree with our policy, and they have some issues, right? So if any particular candidate want to learn this MOOCs programs and they want to achieve the IIT Bombay certificates, they can register himself or herself in individually process. So that's why I've shared, and I'm going to show you how. See, this is this. If you are able to see this software training, see. So we have these four columns, and software training, procedures, and training. So come to the training columns, you are able to find this training and payment dashboard system, semester training planner, summary, student dashboard, and individual learning workshops. So this is the new feature, and you are able to hear this, able to see this. This is the new feature. So individual going to click this individual learning shop. So we are able to see here this list of training events, ongoing events, and past events, right? So in this way you are able to access the audio video tutorials of our particular courses. So you need to log in first, right? Then you are able to access this. Now the second thing, if we are I'm going to again tell you this one, just like you want to register, if you want to register as a faculty organizer in our website, right? So what you will do, first of all, you have to click on the training and payment dashboard, and you will first you have to register. First thing is you have to register yourself in our website. So this is the process. Register yourself. It will ask you some minute details from your side. It will show you the username. It will show you the username. You can and then first name, last name, email ID, your phone number. You can create your own passwords and just submit it. On that moment, you will receive one email from the spoken tutorial, and you have to click on the activation link, and then you are able to go to the account. Now just I'm going to log in with some other account, and then I will show you. Just like this is one of the faculty organizer account, so I'm going to just log in. So I have logged in account. So I'm going to tell you how. See, this is the training and payment dashboard. Now you are able to hear able to see this. Join with us, add me as an invigilator, add me as an account executive. So there is no option of the add me as an faculty organizer. See, it is already registered as a faculty organizer. When you are the new user and you have registered yourself in the spoken tutorial, so you will get I told you, you will get the email in your registered email ID, and you have to click on that in the activation link. On that moment you are able to in to your account, and then only you are able to see that three options will be there. First one is add me as an organizer, and add me as an account executive. So when you will click on the add me as an organizer, it will automatically request will be generated to the training manager of the particular state. So if you belongs to the UP, so it that request will come to me, because I am the training manager for the UP. Now, now we will come see. I'm going to tell you something around this one procedure. We have some three procedures. I'm just completed in the quick manners because we have to cover a lot of things in this session, and I have so limited time. So this is the master batch. First step is master batch of the student list. Master batch is just the information of the students of the particular semesters and particular year, right? So it will from here you have to upload the master batch in .csv file only. Now the second step is STPF, that is the semester training planner form. That is the form which you have to fill to appoint, you can say, to fill the form for the training that that particular batch will have the particular training. Just like you have uploaded the mechanical batch of the second year, and you want to fix the training for all the mechanical second year batch, that is the open form. So you have to fill that form also, right? So it will show, see, we have semester wise form, just like from January to June session, and from July to December session. So we have 2 semesters. So you have to fill semester wise forms for the particular master batch. Now the third step is select a participant list. Now what you have to do, select participant list, you have to select the participants. When you will click on the select the participant list, you will get whole list of the particular batch, and you have to click check all and submit it. It means that you are going to start the training of the students of that particular batch. Now I am going to cover this. See, this is the very basic thing of about the spoken tutorial, how you can use this spoken tutorial in your college level, in individual level, and how it will be helpful for you. Because see, this whatever we have audio video tutorials of all the important and exotic courses which presently we needed, actually we needed. So according to the ICT, you know that the ICT, what is ICT? That is the information and communication technology. And for the today's scenario, all the big you can say agencies, AICTE, UGC, all are preferring this, that we will roll out the ICT in each university, in each colleges, in each schools. Today's need is this, that we will use the ICT, right? So I'm going to share some important things about the ICT, and I know that all of you know about the ICT, and some of the I have experienced. I'm doing with engineering colleges, also with some degree colleges, some B.Ed colleges, and even technical colleges, even some schools, right? So I have a different experience from the different level of the colleges. So see, engineering colleges have technical background, so they don't have any problem to use all these techniques, right? And but when we are talking about the degree colleges, so yeah, so we I think there are the faculties who have not technically sound, you can say this, they have no technical background, so they have some problems to use all these present techniques, and you can say present softwares, how they can handle. Because in the previous times we are only used to teach our children, or you can say our students, through blackboard and chalk, right? And even in engineering colleges we are used to use this. So now the if we are moving towards the new trend, So we have to create some innovative lectures. See, all the policy, you can say all the laws and all the techniques are old. We can say this, but we, these techniques and all the laws have some new examples. And what we are doing here, we are just putting the old examples, putting the old analogies in our you can say teaching process. So in the some way, students are not able to match these old examples in the present scenario, because they don't know, what we are talking about, right? This is the main, I think this is the main you can say hurdle in front of the all the teachers, right? And some of the faculty members are doing very well, and they have created their own channels, they have created their own e-contents. And they see, if we want to create our own e-content, you have to know about the softwares which will help you to you can
Ma-
say
Renu ma'am, sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. Renu ma'am,
yeah,
your slide is not moving, ma'am. Probably if that is there is a problem, if any, or you have forgotten to change the slide. I guess it is fixed
okay, okay,
only.
okay, 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 fine, fine, fine.
Ma'am, it
I
is stuck at the register page where you had shown that the how to register in the spoken tutorial. Only there it has been stuck.
okay,
After that, whatever you told us, it is only on the verbal
okay.
side.
Shit. Okay, okay, fine, 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 fine. Okay. So, yeah, uh, 1 minute. Now it is able to see, right? Step one, step two, step three.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is
I'm
visible.
sorry. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I forgot to share this window. So just three steps, that is the master batch, STPF, and select. So just like I'm going to just click on the batches. So you are able to see all the batches. All the batches are here, that is uploaded by the faculty organizer. That is C. This is the department, computer science engineering faculty development program. These are the two batches of the faculty development program conducted by the Galgotia University. So in this way, you have to also upload the master batches of your students as well as for the faculty members. Faculty members, it should be come under the faculty development program, and the students master batches come under according to the departments. Now, if we are moving back to the semester training planner summary, so you are able to see the second step, that is the STPF. Now I'm going to click on the STPF. So you are able to see there are the current semester July December 2020, and the next semester January June 20 to 21. So for which semester you are going to fill this form. So it depends on you for which batch you are planning to train the courses. So just I'm going to some instructions in the pop-up window you will find, and it will help you. Exactly, it will help you if you are not able to select all these things. So it will help you go through the instructions. And this is the department. You can select the departments from here. Now this is the batches. When we select the just like this, and I have a mean to say this faculty organizer have uploaded only one master batch of the computer science. That's why it shows only one master batch. You can say one department only here, right? And one batch of the same department. So this is why. And how, I mean to say, if you have uploaded 5 master batches, it will show here 5 master batches. So automatically it will consider. Now training type. So now in the present scenario we are not mapping the lab hours. So we can choose this software course outside lab hours. So we have this, and now the semester date, start date. So semester start date, you have to choose what, just like your semester have been has been started from 1st of July, you can say this. So we are moving this. हमने ये 1st of July have chosen, and this is the training start date. So all these things are the required. You have to fill all these things and just click on the submit button. So I'm not going to fill this because it is the other account, faculty organizer. So I'm just sharing this screen because if you are using this and if you are facing any problem, you can go through this. Now, if I'm talking about the, see, now I'm moving to the ICT, right? So I'm just leaving this spoken tutorial here, and I'm moving to the ICT. I was talking about the ICT. So see, just like I have told you about the ICT, how it is helpful for the faculty members, right? So I have some points. See, I'm going to just share it. Yeah, I have some points, important points of the ICT, where it is using, and what is the importance of the ICT. So see, ICT, these are the points. I think Manish sir, it is visible now, na sir?
Yes, ma'am. It's visible. It's visible,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. Okay. So see, we are actually just I told you that we are using old examples for the existing. You can say theorems. If we are teaching theorems, if we are teaching some laws, if we will match that theorems and that laws to some present examples. So in this way, the students will capture all the things what you want to teach them immediately, because see, yeah, previously we are exactly what we are doing. Teachers have some chalk and sketch, right, and used to draw the diagrams, used to write something on the board, and like this is the old scenario. Now what we are doing here, we if we are using this Moodle, so how you are going to teach your information to the students, right? So this is all up to the teachers, so that you have to make the um, some kind of e-content of your particular subjects, that the students will capture it immediately. So and we have so many things here. If you are going to prepare this e-content for the, just like you have took the physics, or you have took the maths, or any engineering topic, mechanical, and you can say computer science. So we have lots of figures, lots of analogies, examples presently, and you can just copy it and paste in your e-content. And you can also you can say this सजा सकते हैं ना, जो बोलते हैं हम लोग कि we can you can use the accessories in your this e-content through GIMP. If you know that this is this open source software, it is also available. And if you learn this GIMP, it is very beneficial to create the e-content also. So source software which are available in your internet, you can use these softwares and create your e-content, right? So these see, I'm just explain you some important things, just like it helps in improving professional development and educational management, as well as enhance active learning of teachers trainees. So as I have told you this example already. So all these things are which we are using through ICT, right? So now I'm just moving fast. Yeah. So I have also created one website today in the Moodle, because I'm not a teacher. I'm just a training manager in this spoken tutorial. So I'm not using this Moodle, but I know how to use this Moodle. So just I have created this Moodle. I'm going to show you my site. Just give me, yeah. Yeah, yeah. This is my site. I have created right now 10 minutes before. So this is my site, IIT Bombay, and you have also created. Yeah, I know that Sudesh Shukla sir told me that you know how to add this. Just like I'm going to site administration, and you know the how to add the users. This is the add new users. Yes, the username, and you can add just like. This is the password. You can write in the password and force. I'm going to click that force password change, because the student can change the password accordingly. And first name is challenge, and second name is same. So you have no need to fill all these required things. You can fill, but there is no need. And you can also, if you want to put some description, you can also put here descriptions, and you know it very well. And I'm just going to just click on the create users. So yeah, you can able to hear this. I have added some users previously. That is the Arnav, and I'm here, Renu Singh, and the Sanjay and Shailen. So all these are the users. From this button, you can edit this information anytime, right? And from here, this button, you can also add a new user. And I know that you are now master in the Moodle. I'm going to share after this session, I'm going to share some video links that will be very helpful for you, because these videos, if anybody have has left this session of the Moodles, which was covered by Dr. Vajesh sir and other respected speakers of the Moodles. So if you have missed that session, you are able to grasp all the things through that lectures, which I'm going to share through this platform. And also, I'm going to show you how you can access the Moodles through spoken tutorial, and there is no need to you can download. And as well as see in the present from you can say from yesterday, yes, from yesterday has added some money. Yeah, you can save some payment process to download the tutorials, right? So if you are not able to pay, so leave it. Just to go to the website, I'm going to share again. Just going to the website, spoken tutorial, and it is the home page. It is the home page of the website. So just click on see all the courses. So here is the Moodle. I'm going to select the Moodle, and it is the language of English. You can use any language in which you are comfortable. So I'm just going to click on the English and search. So Now you are able to see. Now you are 20 Moodle lectures in this page, right? So you can watch from first lecture to the 20th lectures, and you will complete your sessions from here, right? And now, yeah, now come to the LOA part. As Shubhen Sukla sir told me, and I also have received so many letter of association from you all participants, that some of mailing me about this, that they have see like uh, see, letter of association we are providing every year. See, this is the letter of association we are providing to those who have paid 25,000 rupees to the Bombay spoken tutorial. So to them we are only providing, right? So if if you are saying this is the letter of association totally different. It is for the paid partners, and if we are signing some MOUs, it is totally different. See, MOUs is not saying that we are going to provide you any letter on the particular exercises, and that exercises are already mentioned in that MOU. We are not saying that we are providing any free you can say free certification, right? So first thing is clear. Now some of the university members mailed me that they have signed a MOU in 2015, right? So 2015, now this is the 2020. In an MOU is valid. I don't think so. MOU is valid up to now. So we, according to the new policy, previously in the lockdown, you know that we have provided free certification courses to the faculty. Now, after the lockdown, policies has been changed. We are now going to charge everyone. We are not giving free to anybody, right? So this is the main thing. And now come to how to associate with the spoken tutorial, right? So first thing, see, we are dealing with now up to the university and the college level, and there is a subscription policy. College has to pay 25,000 rupees to the IIT Bombay spoken tutorial, and in this behalf we will give the association letter, appreciation letter to the faculty organizer, and the certification letter. That is the certification letter which contains the all the information about the trainings which the college has been done in a whole year. So it will be used in the NAC accreditation. And see, after the association, after the submission of the 25,000 rupees, faculty can register themselves as a faculty organizer from the different departments, and they can upload the master batches and start the training. So they can share that link of the videos, and the students are able to download the videos freely because they have paid already. So we, for the paid partners, we are not charging a single penny in a whole year. So that is totally free for them for a 1 year. It is valid for only 1 year. So if college wants to renew, they can renew after 1 year. So the process will be the same. And if individually wants to learn the particular courses, just like you can say Scilab, OpenFOAM, and LaTeX, so many Drupals. So many exotic courses are there, and somebody wants to do for increase the API or for the promotion basis. So they can do individually. I have shown you this. I think this individual learning workshop. I have shown you this. So from this individual learning workshop, you can register yourself and access the particular course. and pay accordingly. It will show you the payment, because we are charging to the faculty, that is the 500. This is the standard charge, and for the student level we are charging only 200 rupees. So if anybody wants to learn individually, they can also go for this way also. But we are preferring that if a college will take this program for a year, so that is totally beneficial for all the students and for all the faculty members. And day by day we are increasing our features, as well as we are providing lots of facilities to the colleges. And we are conducting so many seminars and conference not conferences, seminars, workshops of the particular course, and they can register themselves freely. So these kind of benefits are available. So I hope all of you, and yes, I will also cover for the participation certificates of this FDP. You will get participation certificate on 1st of September, because I just like uh, Dharmesh sir, Dharmesh Srivastav sir has also conducted this Scilab FDP in SR Institute. So many of the faculty members are waiting for this FDP certificates. So definitely they will get on 1st of September, because we are working in the new interface. So we need some time, but it is fixed that we will provide on the 1st of September. So we are going to upload all the master batches of your participants. And yes, I also want to communicate. It's a, you can say, reminder. I have sent one email to all the participants of this FDP regarding the payment. Yes, and I have received so many mails that I have already paid. See, I have yeah, I have seen your receipt. So I have sent this email to you, because I did not find any information of the IIT Bombay in that receipt. That's why I sent. If see, this is my duty, because I'm the responsible for this whole scenario. So ignore it. If you have paid, ignore it. And those who have won the FDP certificates, they have to pay. So I'm just winding this session. So I hope you have uh, enjoyed this FDP and learn all the Moodle features. If not, don't worry. I'm going to share all the links with you. You have you are able to go through these links, through these videos. You can learn anytime and get mastered in this Moodle. You will also get the chance to represent yourself in the Moodle, right? So thank you so much.
Ma'am, I have one query.
Yeah.
Ma'am, our institute is tie up with the IIT Spoken Mumbai. I have uploaded the certificate, even though I have to pay the fees.
Sir, may I know your institute name, sir?
It is TITS, Technological Institute of Textile and Sciences, Bhiwani, Haryana.
Haryana. Okay, fine. And you have paid?
No, I have not paid. I have uploaded the certificate of our tie-up.
Okay, fine. Okay, there is no issue, Dr. Ashwani. Actually, I'm going to verify from the Haryana, you can say, training manager, that see, some of the faculty members have uploaded the LOA, you can say, or MOU. So you know that the I have told you already that this subscription is only valid for 1 year, sir. Right? If a session has been expired, so all the faculty members have to pay. Right? So don't worry if you have this LOA share. You have shared this LOA with me. I'm going to verify from my colleague, the next you can say training manager of Haryana. So I'll let you know there is no issue. So don't worry about this. See, everyone will get the certificate. See, this is our policy. We have to check all these things, and you know it very well. See, so there
Right.
is no issue. Don't worry, sir.
Okay, it is not any. I just confirming. Okay, whether I have to pay. If
So
I have to
I'm
pay,
just
just confirm me. Okay.
so sir. Give me some time. Today I will let you know through email.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Renu ma'am. Thank you for your valuable inputs, ma'am, whatever you shared with us.
Thank you so much.
I must congratulate you, ma'am, for your successful completion of more than 250 uh, webinars and programs, you conducted
See, Manish
under your
sir,
leadership, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
yeah, yeah. Manish sir, I'm so happy that Shubhendra sir has conducted this FDP. And see, I'm very much worried about this because mm, uh, due to the new policies, we have some issues. And so Shubhen Shukla sir has managed very well, and he has invited so many important, and you can say very intellectual persons in this FDP. Right. So as you know that the spoken tutorial is totally self-learning process. So most of the faculty, you can say participants, think that what we will do if we have to learn self. Right. So this is the Subhen Shukla sir credit that I'm just totally thankful to him, and also Manish sir, to you, that you have managed very well all the 5 days technically.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. All right. So, dear participants, as we all know, this is the closing ceremony today. The session was for the 5 days, and today is the last day. Uh, and we are going to have our chief guest today. He is joined with us. Let me introduce him. Actually, he's a very respected, honorable Professor Dr.
Manish
Mukesh
sir,
Kumar Singh.
Manish sir,
Yes.
Manish sir, please hold. Renu ma'am, kindly, your screen is even visible, so you can now remove your screen
Yeah, yeah.
so that we can see the our dignitary Dr. Professor Mukesh Kumar Singh ji.
I have removed.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Shall I go ahead?
Yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Okay. So, dear participants, as I was saying, that he is very respected and honorable person, Professor Dr. Mukesh Kumar Singh. He is director at Uttar Pradesh Textile Technology Institute, Kanpur. Sir has completed his, after having completion his PhD from IIT Delhi. He started his journey at IIT UPTTU Kanpur, and under his guidance, this institute take many leaps and bounds, and now it has you can say peak of the mountain. It has reached to the peak of the mountain, and uh, Mukesh sir, let me take you through the session when it started on the 17th of August, where we had the inaugural session. So many eminent guests joined us, and they blessed with their words. I would like to just share their name with you, sir. On the very first day, the chief guests were Professor Dr. Ramapati Misra ji, guest of honor Ms. Syama Iyer ji, special guest Mr. Mohammad Wari ji, Dr. Mohammad Wari, and obviously our chairman, sir, Sri Pawan Singh Chauhan, SR Group of Institution. These people were having the blessed word with us, and they shared, they blessed us with their gracious word. We started the journey there, and we had on the very first day we had the speaker, Dr. Muhammad Wajid sir. He talked about the Moodle and shared his knowledge with us. Second day we had Surendranath Reddy ji. He talked about the OBS system, OBS platform. On the third day and fourth day, we had Dr. Vasundhara ma'am. Uh, she shared about the data knowledge and Moodle cloud. And today, Renu ma'am itself, she shared a lot about the spoken tutorial Mumbai. Renu ma'am, this is my personal story, you can say. I was a little confused that why the spoken tutorial name is given there. You know, when initially it was came to me, I thought that this is related to spoken English and all that. So, you know, it was my curiosity, you know, how did name come to? Okay. So let me welcome, and you also join me in welcoming Professor Dr. Mukesh Kumar Singh. Mukesh, sir, welcome here, sir, and say a few words with us, sir.
Am
Hello?
I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you are.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Thank you very much for inviting me at the closing ceremony of your 5-day workshop. The topic was very judiciously selected. That was related to spoken tutorial, and you got the assistance from IIT Mumbai also. I was listening Dr. Renu Singh ji. She was clarifying various aspects of different subscription and all such type of things. And I am very much thankful to Abhishek Pratap ji. He's in my contact since last couple of years. And I visited this SR Institute of Management and Technology 7-8 years back when SR Institute organized the UPSC that time. And what kind of management I saw there, and the kind of leadership which I felt, Dr. Pavan Singh Chauhan ji is doing a really remarkable job for the society through education. SR Group Institute is doing really very well. If you will see the recession period, this is not the recession period only for economy. This is a recession period for education also. If you will see the current situation of students in even in various government institutes, you will find a number of seats are still vacant. But SR Institute is fortunate enough. That is due to the hard working of their faculty members, hard working of their staff members, and most important thing is their belongingness. Uh, I know a few of the faculty members also, some staff members also of SR Institute. They have dedication in their work for the SR Institute. If the faculty members and staff, they have such kind of dedication and belongingness to the organization, that organization definitely will go ahead. Nobody can stop the journey. If you will talk about the spoken tutorial, this is very essential nowadays because there are various ways of spoken language. As we know, we belongs to North India, so our mother tongue is Hindi. Uh, Even in throughout the North India, most of the people they are very used to spoken in Hindi. But we have to understand the corporate culture. We have to understand the industrial culture. We have to understand the culture of information technology sector. Our institute must prepare for such type of situation. As an institute, we also organized their finishing schools for our students. And the concept of finishing a school to finish the student for industry or to make the student ready to join. Under that finishing school, we cover various aspects of a finished student. You can start from personality development. The next is the body language. Next is ethics. Next is, you can say, the corporate culture. So all sort of things is the part of their personality. And if you will see the spoken, because you have well designed your course, spoken tutorial, you don't mention the spoken in English or spoken in Hindi or spoken in Urdu. Spoken means spoken, because if you will see different kind of persons, most of the people makes mistake how to speak, where to speak, and how much to speak. These are some very important attributes of spoken art. I say spoken art. Speaking is always a art. Some people has achieved this art. If a person has spoken art or spoken fluency, the person can make his reputation, his place anywhere. That may be corporate, that may be a educational institute, that may be a research institute, anywhere. If a person has a command on spoken, the person has extra benefit in comparison of your other counterparts. Other aspect of the spoken means what should be the pitch to emphasize on a particular word, and how much pause is required after making a sentence or after completion of a word. Because I have interest in writing also. So that's why I can understand how to write and how to speak. Only the person can explain the theme of a particular a paragraph or particular topic which has written that. And the same person, if the same person is reading or same person is explaining the same thing, he or she may be the master of that topic, because he know the actual soul of the content. So, in nutshell, I am trying to convey the message. Speaking or spoken art, that is equally important. As we are understanding theory, as we are making hands-on practice on various techniques, speaking is equally important. We should not ignore it at all. If you will see the spoken potential of our Honorable Prime Minister, then you can see their counterparts are nowhere. He has command on spoken art. He can collect the mass gathering by his speech. How can you make a connect, effective connect? Whatever audience is there, you have to make a broad vision. Means each and every person should be the part of your vision. Once your eyes will connect with that person, the person will definitely connect with you. And who can do this one? The person who he or she has confidence. What is he or she is going to speak? If person don't have confidence, they are borrowing something from somewhere else. They can't make eye-to-eye contact at all. Right now, this is you can say my research conclusion, because I am in teaching profession since last 25 years. Most of the students of North India, they have very good brain, they have good analytical power, but they hesitate to explain their views. So first you have to remove their hesitation. Means you just make confident the student. You say whatever you are thinking, whatever you want to say, please say. When the things will come out, definitely the confidence level will go up. Then you can shape the fellow. Then you can think about that person, where the person is required some assistance in terms of some fluency, in terms of some pronunciation, in terms of some vocabulary. So these are all sort of attributes of this spoken art. I don't want to take your much time because this is the topic of my interest, so I can speak very long on this topic. But the panel which I am seeing, Dr. Ashwini Goyal is also connected from TITS Bhiwani. He is my very old and close friend. So I'm very happy to see Dr. Goyal here. The whole panel, which is I am seeing on this dashboard, all very learned persons are there. And one thing which I appreciate for SR Institute, again I am repeating that sentence, that is your belongingness for your organization. I salute
Thank you,
for
sir.
your feelings, for your belongingness. And definitely, this is my belief that nobody can stop your journey. If you will maintain your pace, if you will maintain your belongingness, if you will keep away your egos, because this is a very big enemy of any human being. That is ego. People say false ego. I say ego is always false. Are you agree with me? People say he or she has false ego. Renuji.
Yeah, yeah, I totally agree, sir. I'm very much impressed that you are talking so much. I'm मतलब सुनने का मन कर रहा है मुझे. Literally, you can, yeah, totally agree, sir.
Yeah. So I'm saying people say false ego. I say ego is always false.
False, right.
People has to try to get perfection. Excellency, not perfection. I or you both can become excellent, but we can't become perfect.
Correct.
Because perfect is something which is very far away from our reach. But excellency is very close to us. Whatever we are doing, we have to do our work with excellency. How this excellency will achieve? Excellency will achieve by continuous efforts. Excellency will achieve by continuous watch. Excellency will achieve by unbiased decision.
Correct.
This is another point. Because when we make decision, because we are also human being, there are so many factors. There are social factor, there are some relatives, or there are some your bosses, some your colleagues, some friends. They try to influence your decision. But you are the person. You have to make the right decision. When we will try to make right decision, your decision will be right. And you have to keep your words. Okay, this is my decision. I made this decision by soul of my heart. So this decision cannot be a wrong decision. I have to stay with my words. I have to stay with my decision. Believe me, I am saying your decision will be 100% correct. Because you were not influenced during the time of your decision making. If you are influenced, the decision may go in wrong direction. So for a teaching institute, excellency is important, but excellency comes on second place. I'm saying once again, belongingness for your organization, for your institute, whatever organization is there, that may be institute, that may be a company, that may be an NGO, that may be any kind of organization. Your belongingness will make your organization number one.
Correct.
And second thing, whatever persons who are working for the organization, either they are serving as director, or they are serving as a clerk, or they are serving as a supporting staff. Importance of each and every person is equal.
Right.
Because if you will see a vehicle, if you will remove one part, the vehicle will not be performed perfectly. So, as a part of an organization, each and every person is important. Each and every person must regard, due regard. I'm using the word due regard, because a supporting staff cannot be a director. Director position is different, professor's position is different, because their responsibility and duties are also different. So in that sense, we had to maintain our relationship. We had to maintain the hierarchy also. And at the same time, we can enjoy the belongingness, we can enjoy the friendship also. We can maintain our personal relations also. But first thing which is important, that is everybody has to understand the boundaries. Where is my limit? I should not cross my limit. If every person will maintain the boundary, then there is no mean of any kind of dispute. Or if any dispute is there, then come forward, accept your fault. If we are ready to accept our fault, then your mind will remain very light, your relations will remain light, and you will feel happy. How can we get happiness? Happiness depends on our uh, way of thinking. If we say today is very hot, climate is very, you can say, sticky, and we are feeling very uncomfortable, just start to think in another direction. I have this work, I have to finish this work within half an hour or 1 hour, and this is my goal for next 1 hour. Then you will enjoy your work. Whatever uncomfortness is there, that will be there, but your feeling will be different. Means you are ready to fight with that situation. And be patient. Patience is another key to learn all these type of things. Although your program topic is spoken tutorial, I am trying to remain on topic. So with these words, I am very much thankful to SR Institute. One of my colleague, Dr. Ramapati Misra, Director, University Institute of Technology, Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia, Awadh University, Ayodhya. He is also very close friend of mine and very learned person. He has very rich academic experience also. And I am very much thankful to Manish Kumar Singh ji, Kumar Abhishek Pratap Singh ji, and please convey my regard and thanks to your honorable chairman. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Only master can give the masterpiece, sir. So it was the masterpiece from your side, sir.
Thank you.
we are honored and delighted, sir, and we are enlightened also, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for taking out time for us, sir. You have very valuable time, and somehow you contributed your time to us, sir. We are very much grateful to that, sir.
I am always available for you. No problem.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Uh, Dear participants, any program cannot be successful without a team. So we also have a team. You are very much familiar with the Subhendu Sekhar sir. Abhishek Pratap Singh is there, and Dr. Dharmesh Srivastava is also there. So I would like to ask them to say few words if they can contribute with us. So let me welcome first Subhendu sir. He generally speaks about us. So speak about this FDP program generally in the session. So Subhendu sir, say a few words with us, sir.
Thank you, Manish sir. As you said earlier, that any program cannot be, get success without a good team. And I am very fortunate to have you in my team. And I have a very great team. Either I'm say to Dr. Dharmesh, either Abhishek sir, either you, all we have done, a good kind of work in this pandemic duration. That we are coming in college and we are, working in a very limited resources. Sometimes we are working from home also, but at least we are stay together to get completed this FDP. And because of our team, we are, approaching to the finalize this FDP. Regarding this FDP, some key points I would like to share with you all the participants. That the certificate will be issued by the IIT Mumbai with the logo of IIT Mumbai along with the Pandit Madan Mohan Malvi National Mission of Teachers and Training. But the key issues are somewhere that we are facing a little bit difficulties regarding letter of association, because many of us are associated with IIT Mumbai and most of the participants are sharing their letter of association. But the problem where we are facing, most of the participants uploaded or attached their letter of association of previous years, either 2018, 19, 19, 20, or even one of the participants uploaded their certificate of letter of association of 2015. That is not possible for us to to find out each and everything, because we are have a great number of participants. Some of watching here, some of watching live on YouTube, some of only view on YouTube link. So it's a little problem. So certificate distribution will take at least 15 to 20 days. We have already made an official group of Telegram. I have already communicated to the in the brochure also that we will send all the details, or all the communication will be made only in that Telegram particular group also. So please join that group so that we can conclude the things in that Telegram group. Second thing, today we will share a little quiz come feedback form in that group. The feedback form is not kind of feedback that is having a marks. It is not for passing or fail. It's like a feedback that we know that we want to know that how much you are getting from this FDP. So at least I'm approaching to IIT that they share us the real feedback. So I think at 1 p.m. I will share the feedback form in group only. So please be with us in group, and all the other things I will inform in group only. And thank you again, Manish sir, and
Thank you, sir.
other team members to concluding this FDP. Now I think Dharmesh sir also want to say something.
Yes, sir.
If they want to say something, please.
Dr. Dharmesh sir also, he also put a lot of effort to make this FDP possible and successful. So, Dr. DK sir, if you're there, sir, please say a few words with us, sir.
Thank you, Manish ji. Thank you, Shivendu sir. I would say very thank you to all the participants who had attended this FDP, and quite sure that they had learned a lot regarding models. This is the whole credit goes to Shivendu for organizing this FDP, the way he interacted with all the respected speakers, he coordinated them and requested to have a few words on this FDP. And I am very much grateful to Shivendu sir for his kind coordination, and also thankful to Manish ji how he managed all this. I am very much thankful to Manish ji how you managed all the things for the entire 5-day program. Thank you to all. And
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Welcome, sir. Now, if Abhishek sir is there, whom Professor Mukesh Kumar Singh was referring. So, if Abhishek Singh is there, sir, could you say a few words with us, sir? Abhishek Pratap Singh, is he here? Subhendu sir?
Abhishek sir was here. I think Abhishek sir is here.
Abhishek sir, please say a few words with us, sir.
I think due to some technical issues, his mic is not getting unmuted. So he is, I think, unable to speak something, but he is trying to say something. Soon he will join from my mic so that he can say a few words to.
Okay. All right, no problem.
Yeah.
All right, dear participants.
Sir, one request from my side, sir. Ramkrishna. Sir, one
Yes,
request
yes,
from
sir. Yes, sir. Please, sir, go ahead.
along with Google Form, must forward in group Telegram link also.
Telegram link also. Okay.
Yes, yes. Telegram link also along with Google Forms.
Okay, sir. All right.
Thank you, sir.
So thank you, dear participants, for being patient and contributing time to complete this 5 days online faculty development program on Moodle. I'm totally sure that whatever effort we put into, it would have been successful for you all. And as Subhendu sir was saying that around 1 p.m. he'll share a link regarding the feedback form. And one more information what I want to say is that after maybe probably next month, we are going to have the FDP, you can say on the same topic, and possibly that will be, once you complete that, that will be considered as a completion certificate. But what? Yes, Abhishek sir is here, sir. Yes, Abhishek sir, most welcome, sir. You also contributed a lot to make this successful, and say a few words, sir, with us.
धन्यवाद मनीष जी। सबसे पहले तो आयोजक मंडल को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और मुकेश सर को उससे भी ज्यादा धन्यवाद को हमारे आग्रह पे आए और अपने आशीर्वचनों से हम सबको अब सिंचित किया। और वर्तमान में जो राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति आई है उसमें ई लर्निंग के ऊपर काफी कुछ जोर भी दिया गया है, और इस समय जो कोरोना का संकट हुआ है उसमें ई लर्निंग की उपयोगिता सबसे ज्यादा है कि हम सुदूर क्षेत्रों में भी अपनी पहुंच विद्यार्थियों तक कर सकते हैं। मूडल इसमें सबसे अच्छा विकल्प है और ओपन सोर्स भी है, बहुत ज्यादा कोई खर्चा भी नहीं है, बहुत ज्यादा कुछ टेक्निकलिटी भी नहीं है। आप जरा सा अपने आप को अपडेट करके इसमें कुछ सीख सकते हैं और ज्यादा ज्यादा मैटर जो है वो अपने विद्यार्थियों को या लर्नर्स को डिलीवर कर सकते हैं। बस यही कुछ कहना। धन्यवाद।
वेलकम सर। सर, आप हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट में सबसे मिलनसार और सबसे सज्जन व्यक्ति हैं और हम खुश नसीब हैं कि आप के साथ हम वर्क करते हैं। सो थैंक यू Abhishek sir, thank you for being part of this FDP. Dear participant, as I was there sharing that you'll have the one more FDP regarding the same topic, and that will be the completion kind of certificate you'll get for that, and that will be the paid version. So Subhendu sir will share the link with all the participants who are joining this now, as of all the participants who are part of this particular FDP. And on that note, I would like to take permission to wind up this session. Thank you very much for being patient.
Manish sir, I would like to join and I would like to add some more points.
Yes sir, please go ahead.
The second FDP that is going to be scheduled, I think schedule is not proper, but as per guidelines given by the IIT, we are scheduling the second FDP on same topic on first week of October.
Okay.
The registration link will be distributed soon via the Google form. But the main thing, what will going to be happen in second FDP? The second FDP will be duration of 2 weeks, and in that FDP we will focus only and only on Moodle rather than any other tool. Second thing, in that FDP we will work only on a pre-recorded session of videos. Third thing, in that FDP, if you will participate, then you will get 2 certificates. One, certification of participation given by the college in association with the IIT, and second, certification of completion that will be given by the only IIT. So that will add some more value to your certificate in your CV also. So we will share the link of registration form very soon in Telegram group and other social media also via the via email also. We will inform to all the participants. If they wish, they can join. For any other query, you may call me. The phone numbers are given already on the Google form, the brochure. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So now, sir, should I wind up now? I mean,
yeah. Please, sir. Now you can wind up the session.
All right, sir. Thank you. And if there is any mistake, I'm seeking forgiveness also. So thanks a lot, participants. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks a lot. Namaskar.
धन्यवाद।